I have a question for you. Are you creating videos for YouTube? Presentations to deliver training or promotions, or maybe you're just trying to build your following on social media. But now we're all in lockdown because of the coronavirus. It's difficult to make great videos whilst being stuck at home indoors all the time. Viewers don't want to see you being in the same room all the time. It can get boring. Just imagine how much more engaging your videos would be if each time they saw you, it looked like you were in a different location. You could be filming from a sun-kissed tropical beach one day or shooting in a Hollywood film set the next day. You see, you can turn any room in your house into any location you like by simply using a green screen. I'll show you exactly how to do it all step by step, even if you've never heard of filming with green screen before, and using free green screen editing software. Now, I've used professional TV studios for years for all my green screen work and never thought it would be possible to create perfect broadcast quality green screen videos from a cramped little box room at home. But after a lot of research and experimentation, I discovered that it is. In my brand new course, which has been launched, called the Green Screen Challenge, I'll show you every aspect of green screen filming, from preparing the filming location, what lighting to use for best results, how to position your lighting, and if you get this wrong, your green screen videos will look awful, where to position your camera, what settings to use, and how to make your audio sound perfect. And of course, how to use software to create the magic results after you film. In fact, I'll show you where to download not just one, but 2 high-quality video editing software programs that are completely free. No, not just free to download or free 30-day trial, I mean free forever. If you have long scripts that are difficult to remember, I'll also show you how to create a teleprompter device for your home filming setup too, just like they have in a broadcast professional studio. Plus, every question that you may have about green screen or chroma key will be answered in this really packed course on this essential video filming technique. Like to find out more? Click the link, turn your home office into a palace, a broadcast newsroom, a moon base. The only limit is your imagination, darling. See you soon.